Ahoy there! You've got to make sun while the... No, you're not going to make sun while the hay shines. You've got to make hay while the sun shines, apparently. And the sun is shining. Let's have a look. Oh, spring could be here. This could be it. This could be the turning point. Ah, yes. A wild Jez has appeared. Oh no, he's walking down the pontoon. It's okay. I hate talking on camera outside. So, jobs. I have a spray hood for the boat, which is what this doodad is. And it fits into these badges. Oh, my head. There's this boom there. But this one's goosed. So, today's little job is fix that, epoxy it or something. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm halfway through doing the furling line. This is the furling line that was on. And I'll go up front and show you, but I ordered a new one. Well, I went to the swindlery and got a new one. But I can't get it through the hole in the furler, so I'll take you up and show you. I'll be back in a second. Hi, it's been a second. Old furling line. What's happened is the core, which is inside it, has fallen back. So only the sheath, you can see that that's flat there, was through the hole on the drum on the furler. So I've taken that out and I've just tied the furler up so it can't go anywhere through this shackle, so it can't undo, plus a line on it as well. So yeah, I'm now waiting for the swindlery to open again to get some 6mm line instead of 8mm line, and then that should be done. So yeah, things and stuff. Right. Don't die, don't die. Be like gazelle. Yeah. So I'm going to scrape that off and do some stuff, and that's what this is going to be, and that's what this is. Okay. I'm making this much harder than it needs to be. Well, that's easier. Can you even see anything? You can't even see what I'm doing. I'm rubbish at this YouTube stuff. So she's clean, but she's got guff inside and it's wet. I don't know if you can see that, but some wet in there. It's all smush. That ain't good. Right. It's utterly drowned in there. So I can't epoxy it. I think I might need to drill all this out and repair it properly. The wood's turned to mush. Oh, there's always something, isn't there? So what do I do? Do I cut this out? Or something? Or I don't know. I need to ask somebody about this now. This has gone from 5-minute project to big job breaking out. It's just wet through, look. Oh, we'll see.
Oh, hi there. It's a new day, obviously, because boats. Old furling line out, aka new fender line. Excellent. I've bought 6mm instead of 8mm, so I'm going to go and run that. So come and join me at the furler. I'm at a furler. I think I might be a silhouette, but it'll be okay.
Okay. Ow. Ouch. Comfy. I've just made it off with this doodad to stop it furling. So you can see the holes in there where the line needs to go through. It's this back one here that I want to go through, and then the knot has to sit inside a little recess there so it doesn't foul on the bottom of the drum. No idea if you could see that. I can't see anything. My heart's fell off. I'm good at this YouTube stuff, aren't I? So basically, I'm going to run the line through this here. I'm going to put an extra turn on it, or maybe two. One. An extra turn on the drum. And then go through the whole of Mordinger and tie a knot and see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll do it, and then it'll work or it won't. So yeah, come see an idiot do things. So this wants to come up here. It's going to turn clockwise to unfurl. So counterclockwise to furl it, so I think it wants to come around here. Like that. And then through there, possibly. Yeah, because that'll turn it counterclockwise, which will furl it. Yeah. I need some kind of grabby thing. Stand by. Then I just need to tie some kind of knot on here. That's a knot, I think. I mean, I think that's right. I'll run it back to the cockpit and then see what happens. It goes through these doodads all the way along. I'll just go and do that. I think this is right. Righto. I run the doodad back yonder. So I'm going to undo this and now and see if anybody dies. Oh, some excellent camera work of me undoing a bowline. In fact, I'd probably better make the line off than the sail doesn't come out, hadn't I? That's probably a good idea. Let me just put you somewhere. Somewhere better. I'm missing something. Oh, the weather's turned. Anyway, I don't know what I was messing about at, but I've unmessed about at it. It's over there. It's all fitted now. I've had the sail out, put it back in. I thought I'll just do it on my own. And then I'll do it again and film it, but then the wind's picked right up and it started raining, so that's that. Anyway, it comes back to this winch, which really is probably a spinnaker winch doodad thing. And there's no real way of tying it off and freeing up that winch, so what I'm actually going to do is bring the line along. I'm going to put a shackle and this turning block on this hard point here, and then come back up to the winch and have like a clam cleat thing on here with a feeder on it, a bit like this one, so it feeds in and goes up to the winch, and then to lock it off I can just pull it into there. And if I wanted a further method of locking it off, I could put a little normal cleat there so it jams, and then I can cleat it off and then just post the excess in there while I'm not using it. Yeah, so that's that. I wanted to film me doing the thingy, so I don't know if I told you about this. Basically, I'm getting inside because it's raining. Avanti last door and hatch. Still not done this. I need to do that. Right. I might do that this afternoon. Or some of it. And relax. Yeah, so dum, click, click, click. That one over there. So it transpires that the sides of the boat, or over there at least, don't have any core in them, and the cabin top seems to have either a balsa core or something like that, and water's got into that and made it smush. So I'm going to oversize drill it, pick out all the crap, fill it with epoxy, put in oak plugs where the screws are going to go. I might actually drill all the way through to the inside of the hull and put a backing plate on it and bolt it rather than screw it. I don't know yet. I'll consult somebody who knows stuff and do that, and I'll probably replicate that on the starboard side as well, because if it's been done, I may as well just do it. It's just waiting for weather all the time. Every time I have a day off work, it's raining or windy as hell. My next day off is Thursday. It's it's raining and windy as hell. It's 20 gusting 30, so Dan's going to come down and show me how to do the sheet to tiller steering and stuff. He was going to come down Thursday, but the weather's just grim. So yeah, anyway, I'll do that. I need to get a turny shackle doodad, put that on, and that'll be done. So yeah, this week I have done a grand score of not much, apart from a lot of work. I'll do the replacement doodad at some point and film that. I'm going to need a few days of good weather for that, so it's probably going to be next year. Anyway, that's what I've been up to this week. Goodbye.